Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today I have come with something new, something really special. What I find ki people are really struggling, people are really thinking how to manage their semester exams as well as their preparation for the CUET. Obviously CUET this NTA wala, that is entrance for the PG. And for some students, NET exam is also coming, NET JRF exam. So today special request, and I also thought after much deliberations, so let's start some rising and heated topics, especially for economics. So today onwards I am going to start economics series, economics which will include CUET NTA PG entrance for all university, JNU, HCU, BHU, Pondicherry, all university. And apart from this topic would be also very important for the economics learner who is going to write NET JRF exam for 2022 this June July. Next month you have this NET JRF exam. So please mind well, if you are following this content what I am going to provide after this class today will start, and if I really find support from you guys, so please comment below really you want such kind of videos. So our videos will be like this, as I am just going to tell you, like what we have to study in macroeconomics. In macroeconomics we are going to start that what should be our approach of classical, which kinds of question they can ask on classical, and we will also do some questions types of topic wise, like why it was important to know classical dichotomy, and why it was important to know wedge rigidity, why it was important to know like insider outsider model. So these are very basic terminologies which is going to be very important for NET JRF as well as CUET PG entrance for all central university exam. So if you really think this session would be very important, and the way I will explain will be only through this my video. Basically this video only will try to cover the topics which is really complex, which is really very like marks fetching, which is really important for the exam. This need not to be very tough or very easy, but I will try to focus on the most probable topics and frequently asked topics. If you see the past year papers, you take any past year's papers, be it CUCET, be it HCU, so there are some topics. Basically they will ask the approach of Keynesian and classical demand approach. So equilibrium is determined by demand or supply side in classical, or equilibrium is determined by supply or demand in Keynesian. So such basic things you should know, that we are going to start from, this session. After this session we'll start the series. If I really find any kind of support from you guys, so we'll start the session. So stay tuned, stay connected, keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing, and share these words. If I really find this worth it, so we'll do the session. If I don't find support from you guys, so it's not worthy of doing, because most of you are taking coaching classes, most of you are studying in your colleges, lectures are there, videos are already uploaded on YouTube, so many notes and PDF are circulating on the internet. So if I don't find worth it, I won't be doing. But if I really find it worth it, you people are really liking it, you people are really watching it, so we'll do that. And some of the people who know me already how to and how I really approach economics, that people can share really Navneet knows such kind of things, and I can really tell you in a better way. If you really think I should do, so we'll do that. And now coming to the macroeconomics, so we'll start from macroeconomics. Basically in macroeconomics what to study, and we'll also discuss these things we need to follow. Let's say suppose that in classical what we have to follow. Don't bug down yourself in all the images, all the equations, each and every line you have to sometimes mug up, you have to understand. No, our approach will be to pass the exam. So we'll make 2-3 series. First series will be important and hot topics of macroeconomics, second will be growth and development, and third will be Indian economy. These 3 sessions I will also create playlist. So after creating playlist, I will be uploading videos in that, and accordingly you can watch, you can revise. That video will be of only 5 minutes, 6 minutes hardly for one topic. तो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सपोज दैट टुडे फॉर क्लासिकल्स. इन क्लासिकल व्हाट यूज बेसिक्स शुड नो. Sometimes they ask assumptions. What are the which of the followings are not assumptions of classical, right? Sometimes they ask. So they will ask price rigidity, price flexibility, monetary neutrality, long run uh, output or long run economy. So you know that classicals had wage what? You comment section below. It was either flexibility or rigidity, that you should know. So basics I will be approaching. So this was classical. Then we will see what was the difference between, as I mentioned already, classical dichotomy and money neutrality. Then we will see why classical assumed there must be money wage rigidity in classical. Then only their economy will be in equilibrium, full output, employment and all. So this approach we will see. So classical. Similarly we will talk about Keynesian. We will talk about Lucas. So that was then we will talk about Menkev, that is new Keynesian, and we'll see the approach. So from start we will start with macro, and in macro we are going to cover physiocrats, mercantilism, classical, Keynesian, new Keynesian, monetarism. So these topics we are gonna do. After that we'll jump to the growth and development. In growth development we'll do all the topics, all the models or all the theories what is generally asked in the exam. Got it? This was second. And third we'll do Indian economy with the coverage of budget and economic survey. Here I will be dealing only those topics which is frequently asked in the exam, not the tough topics. If you see the 5-year plan compulsorily they ask definitely 1 or 2 questions. If you see the questions from the planning, they definitely ask. Sometimes they ask who started Gandhian planning. Sometimes they ask what is inductive planning. Sometimes they ask what is Hindu growth rate. Sometimes they ask about this budget and survey. What was the target fiscal deficit, or what was the revenue deficit last time? What was the India's expected growth rate? So this all compilation you can get from my playlist. So guys, just last request, if you really like the such kind of content that I want to deliver, you please comment section below, really sir I want this, and we'll start. Session will be of hardly 5 minutes of each topic. So let's talk about suppose unbalanced growth. So we'll summarize unbalanced growth in 5 minutes. That will include just exam purpose. That will be suffice for your NET JRF and PG entrance. So I think I am very clear what will be my approach. And in between, if you really find ki I have to also take help of some pen, paper, pad or diagram you need, that I will be also giving. But diagram, equations, everything is there in the book. The thing is not in the book is that the approach, how to approach. In unbalanced growth, you should know what is DPA, what is SOC. That's it. Got it? So in this way, we are going to start, and after that, we'll make playlist and you can watch. So I think I am very clear. Please comment section below. Please like this, subscribe this, support me. And if I really find ki people are really looking for such content, so we'll start series for economics, especially for PG entrance and NTA. This will be beneficial for both. तो दोनों के लिए यह लाभकारी होगा, UGC नेट के लिए भी और UGC NTA CUET 2022 PG entrance के लिए भी. तो गाइज आप स्टे ट्यून्ड रहें और हमें कमेंट करके बताएं कि कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स पे आपके वीडियो चाहिए. जो कि टॉपिक मैं देखूंगा कि मेजोरिटी में है, दीज टॉपिक्स पीपल विल हैव प्रॉब्लम. So I will make video, and sorry I cannot make videos which is very complex to deal virtually, which is already given in the books. If you are looking for the market, if you are looking for oligopoly, if you are looking for game theory, if you are looking for statistics, if you are looking for mathematics, that is there in the book with the better comprehension that you can easily solve. And I have already given the list of the books, so I am not going to make videos on that. Basically my video approach will be marks fetching topics like balanced growth, unbalanced growth, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक में किन्सियन हो गए, क्लासिकल्स हो गए, न्यू किन्सियन हो गए, लूकस हो गए, उसके बाद आपके आगे जैसे फिलिप्स कब हो गए. दीज आर मार्क्स फेचिंग. गॉट इट? इंडियन इकोनॉमी हो गए, बजट हो गए, सर्वे हो गए. दीज आर मार्क्स फेचिंग कीवर्ड्स. तो इन कीवर्ड्स पे मैं जनरली वीडियो बनाऊंगा और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. अगले वीडियो में हम लोग शुरू करने जा रहे हैं मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में हम लोग कैटेगराइज करेंगे कि किन टॉपिक से क्या क्या पूछ रहे हैं और हम लोग क्या क्या इसमें पढ़ेंगे. दैट यू शुड स्टडी ओनली, डोंट गो बियॉन्ड दैट, बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम दैट इज एनफ. So chalo, stay tuned, stay connected and wait for the next video. See you with the macroeconomics. तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं. Bye bye. Take care and stay positive, stay connected, study hard because exam is very near. That is in the next month. Bye.